Howland Hook Marine Terminal, that's exactly the same photo that Arlene had actually at the end of her presentation. What I would point out in that is how many of those containers are sat there? 4 high. Imagine the corner load if a crane picked one of those up and dropped all 4 down on one corner of that 4. Imagine the crane that picks those up and its wheel loads, right? This system is still working perfectly well today, has no rutting. It's incredibly heavily designed, and by the way, Design Pave includes the British Ports method, which is the heaviest design method for industrial paving anywhere, and that's fully incorporated in Design Pave. So you could design that system using the software. I think you come up with a slightly different design, but you could design it, okay? So there is nothing to stop. This is another perception, another myth. Permeable paving systems and interlocking concrete paving systems are incredibly strong. And the reason they could be made strong enough is you just go deeper with the base course. And the load sharing I was talking about at the very start of this presentation just distributes that through the base course. These are made of solid stone. They're not going anywhere. Okay? And if you use a proper design tool like Design Pave, it will make sure you don't under-design. I have too shallow. So this is a very heavy application. It had a very large, very deep base course. But that's all you need to do. That's a cross-section of some of the, it varies across the thing because only certain areas you have the cranes and certain areas you have the containers. Other areas might have just residential, well not residential, but commercial and industrial parking. So it varies across the design. And that's what it looks like today. It has a 20-year service life. Some of the statistics are in there. The wheel axle loads are 97 tons. The stacked containers are 23 tons at each corner. So don't let anybody tell you that you can't have a paved system in a heavy industrial area. I've seen them in airports, not on the aprons, but on parking areas. I've seen them in container yards. Australia's got its first container yard that's got, well, as far as I'm aware, it's the first container yard. The IMEX import-export facility at Moorebank is now being designed with permeable paving systems. So don't always think just residential and light commercial with these systems. These systems are very, very strong indeed. So they can have much larger industrial applications.